Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 ways you can monetize your TikTok account in any country you're watching from. If you're new to this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. I have many videos on how you can be able to run TikTok ads and promote your TikTok profile for more followers. Don't worry, check the description box after you watch this video to the end. Now, the number one way you can be able to monetize your TikTok account is if you are able to create content, and by so doing you begin to go live. Do you understand? Then you can be able to get people that actually love you to gift you by playing live match. Do you understand? You play live match with some other co-creators like you, and by so doing people can be able to gift you and you monetize your TikTok account. Number 2, you can be able to monetize your account through the TikTok creativity program. Do you understand? By so doing, TikTok will be paying you based on the advert that is placed in between or on or under your video. Now, unfortunately, Africans are not qualified for this, especially in Nigeria, Ghana. I think South Africa is actually qualified for this. So this is the downside of creativity beta program in Africa. Number 3 way you can be able to monetize your TikTok account is when you grow a particular following and you begin to get brand deals, brand endorsement from business owners, from business people. Do you understand? From companies. A lot of TikTok creators, especially in Nigeria, make massive money through this. Do you understand? So they can't monetize their content through TikTok creativity program, but they can actually get brand deals, especially if you are niche. That is why it is very, very important you niche out your content to be in a particular section. Do you understand? Niche it down. The audience by which you reach with your content can attract a lot of business owners who have that product that your audience seeks, the solution they seek. Do you understand? So number 4 way you can be able to monetize your content is when you begin to promote your services and your products on your TikTok content. Let's say, for instance, you sell bags or you know how to make bags. All you just need to do is you keep creating how-to videos on how people can be able to make simple purse, how-to videos on how people can be able to make simple bags, and by so doing, when you build this as an authority, you can be able to even introduce people to your other bags product. That okay, fine, I have this bag product for those who actually want to buy bags. You can be able to place your order using my WhatsApp number as you display it on the screen, and some other people will even want to come and meet you for a kind of personal mentorship. That is, they want to come and meet you that okay, fine, how can we be able to organize a kind of mentorship that you are going to mentor me online or offline that is a little bit special than all these free kind of tips that you give online. Do you understand? So by so doing, you can even monetize your knowledge and your skill and your products using this. And another way you can monetize your TikTok account in Nigeria, in anywhere you are watching me from, is through affiliate offer. There are some websites that will require you to register on their website. They will tell you, okay, fine, if you can be able to create videos that we actually promote these offers. Do you understand? And by so doing, you can get people from this particular section, from this particular country, that will click on that link and actually submit their email or drop their phone number or just click on the link. Generally, they are going to be paying you dollars. Do you understand? They are going to be paying you some amount of money per clicks, per sign-ups, or per action those people do on that website. So there are enormous ways you can be able to monetize your TikTok account. It is not just limited to TikTok creativity program or earning by ads. No, earning money from social media is broad. If you have the right strategy, no one can be able to reduce your wings from flying. So these are the 5 tips I can be able to give you for now. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. I will see you on the next video. Peace out.